Welcome back to my channel, NEET Physics Lecture 1 on topic electrostatics. That is, first one is frictional electricity, properties of electric charges, Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law in vector form, units of charge, relative permittivity or dielectric constant, and continuous charge distribution and types. Linear charge density, surface charge density, volume charge density. These topics, one question definitely come on frictional electricity or properties of charge. The one problem may come in NEET or 12th class, Coulomb's law. Generally it will come. Or based on one objective type, relative permittivity, dielectric constant. If you thoroughly prepare these concepts, at least 2 to 3 marks you may expect in your NEET 2026. What is frictional electricity? Frictional electricity means when two bodies rubbed with each other, suitable bodies rubbed with each other, the charge will take place. That is what I am going to tell you now. Look at this one animation figure over here. This is your glass rod. Over on it, a silk piece is kept over here. What will happen when you just rub with the silk on the glass? Wonderful thing you are going to see here. That is, charges will generate. Here charges are generated not because of charge created over there. Just it is transferred from one body to another body. Glass has loosely bound electrons. On rubbing, they will be transferred to silk. So once electrons are transferred, what will happen? There will be a deficiency of electrons on glass rod. So that is what is happening over here. So you can just check it here once again. Once again, if you check it, what will happen? You can check. Glass rod. Two pieces here, glass and silk. When it is rubbed, it will be getting charges are created. This can be checked by using a device which you know in class 10th or earlier classes, that is gold leaf electroscope. With the help of that one can see this. Next one is you can see your ebonite rod. Ebonite is made up of plastic or plastic material, almost all, and it is flannel means wool, yellow color. It is just kept over here. You can see once again what is happening. Opposite charges will created. So here what is happening on wool, electrons are loosely bound. They are given to the plastic. So plastic got the negative charge. And due to the loss of a negative charge in wool or flannel, what happened? Positive charge is created. That on the whole, what is happening? One question in the NEET always it will be going to come. That is, what is happening when a glass rod is rubbed with silk? So you should know the transfer of charges. Charge neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another body. That's what you have to remember. Okay, I repeat again. Conservation of charges. Charges neither created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one body to another body. Same thing is happening over here. So these are the electrons. It is explained over here and you can just go through them. Then electrons are loosely bound in fur or wool. It will be get transferred. And you can see here glass. When it is rubbed with silk, glass will be a positive charge. Silk will get negative charge. Wool, plastic and ebonite, polythene, dry hair, comb. This is generally you have seen already because different types of questions are going to come in 1 mark, reasoning question, and in the reasoning questions, so many times it is asked dry air. When a comb is dried over on the dry air, rubbed over on the dry air, what will happen? And you can see that comb started attracting small pieces of paper. So that already you have seen in your lower class. Hope you remember that. So properties of the charges. There exist only two charges. You know that atoms are made up of two charges. Nucleus positive charge and or on the nucleus electrons are revolving, that is negative charge. And there are some particles, they are called neutral particles, they are called neutrons. It is embedded in the nucleus. So that all you have studied even in chemistry. So like charges repel, unlike charges attract, that you know very well. When you take the glass rod of positive and negative plastic rod, when you bring it, it will start attracting. And charge is a scalar quantity, it is only having magnitude, no direction. So this is the general question going to ask. Charge is additive in nature. That means one charge electron if you give, it will be. If suppose here is the example, two protons, two five